more about that. Kunal, good morning. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
And couldn't have asked for a better Diwali, right?
This is fantastic.
Finally.
This is finally, this is the best gift I think which everyone wanted since last 6 months. We've had a torrid year from September 2024 till, what we've gone through, major periods of volatility, so much of news flow, Friday effect, post-market hours, especially what comes by for the markets. So this is finally a very good surprise. Post-Friday, we saw the SGX Nifty, I think, up almost 150 points. Today, it's just adding up another 50 points. And it's been a fantastic recovery over the last last 2-3 weeks also, start of the month of October, where we've seen, the market picking up very good texture, large cap names making a comeback. In fact, the best part is that the mid-cap stocks have underperformed in this last 2-3 weeks of the market recovery. And the onus is more on the larger cap names. You've seen Bank Nifty hitting new highs. You've seen many of the individual large cap banking stocks which are still away from their lifetime high levels. So it's a different market texture where the indices are in a rush to moving up higher and the stocks are playing a catch-up, which is completely different than we've usually seen in a bull market or in an uptrend.
So, Kunal, would it be led by banks once again, although there are many contenders like Reliance also today?
Yes.
But largely, do you think banks will do the heavy lifting, given that ICICI Bank, HDFC numbers are out, and the Nifty Bank was already at an all-time high on Friday?
So I think, yes, Bank Nifty has played a very good part, of course, and that's one of the reasons why you're seeing Bank Nifty at an all-time high level, already above 57,000 mark. But I also see participation coming back. So, what happens is when you see one index leading the charge from the front, it opens up gates for many of the underperforming sectors to make a gradual comeback. And now in this leg of uptrend, you've seen so many underperforming sectors. Realty is underperformed, FMCG, IT. I think you could just name maybe 5 out of the top 10 sectors, and most of those sectors have underperformed. Some of them are trading just at par to their 200-day moving average. Some of them are below their 200-day moving averages. So, the effort which these stocks have to do is significantly higher. And that actually is a very good trading window for, traders, because when you're looking at two set of stocks or strategies, one, should I bank on the leaders, the ones which have already moved up higher, ones which are stronger, or should I bank on the underperformers and which can make a comeback? So I think there's a trade which opens up on both legs.
So Kunal, gold corrected a bit on Friday and Saturday. Did you buy some gold on Dhanteras?
No, I bought enough gold when I was outside. So not adding too much.
Aisha, you've been doing shopping over the weekend, no?
Not at all.
Not going go.
Seems like you're the one who has. That's why you're asking all of us.
I was sleeping over the weekend.
In any case, I don't want to, really make that remark, but from where you hail, people are fascinated by the yellow metal anyway, right?
We store gold.
Yes.
The local jewelry gang.
The local jewelry gang. Harsh, any metals? Dhanteras is not about gold, right? It's about just metal buying.
Yeah.
I mean, people buy gold because they think that's the most auspicious.
Precious metals.
You could have bought silver
as well.
You will buy utensils also. I mean, utensils also something
any
which
metal.
you buy. Any metal.
But just the way prices have been, I think.
But the premium over silver has fallen over the last 2-3 days, and in the cash market, or in the physical market there, and that's good sign. Which is coming in actually, and gold has also fallen to 40 to 50 or so from nearly $100 in the last 3-4 days actually.
Hardly a fall, but yes, eased out a little bit, just a tad. But Kunal, you said that the secular trend remains on the upside for both silver and gold, right?
Correct. Yes. So it remains on the upside, but we were discussing that they have entered into an overbought territory. So when you enter into a deep overbought territory, you don't know how far they can go up. But then you know that a correction is coming, and hopefully I think Friday we saw that both these asset classes saw that tinge of correction coming into them. I don't see a major panic into both of these asset classes. Like for example, what happened in 2011, where gold and silver, when they topped out, it was like a 5-7 year of a multi-year correction. I don't see that happening for gold and silver this time around, and that's why I think a 10%, max 20% correction, I think should be taken with both hands.
Okay, and your picks for this morning, therefore, Kunal, how should we play the market?
So I'll go with larger cap names. Asian Paints is one of the stocks which managed to make a very good comeback.
Yes.
And this could announce that maybe the stock is ending that multi-month underperformance or a downtrend for itself. So we'll look out for Asian Paints as a buy. 2600 as a target, stop us at 2450. Britannia is something which looks extremely attractive on the charts. We discussed the stock on Friday as well. Still was one of the better performers from the FMCG as well as one of the large cap names. So would continue to be bullish on Britannia, 6,260 as a target and 6,050 as a stop loss.
Okay, and what we'll do is we'll slip into a very short break. On the other side, plenty to discuss.